That more insan.
Yung Metro Shoot man! Yes! Magbigay na kayo, Metro Shoot. Thank you, Cheryl Manzano.
Sobrang aliw daw. Sobrang aliw.
Jewit na tayo, 300! 300, mag-jewit po kami ni Insan. Ganoon. Teaser.
Hindi ko pa nakanta yung I Want You Well.
Insan, kaya mo yan?
Oh my gosh, ang bilis. Ibong Adarna daw, gano'n.
What does that mean?
I don't know, you ask them what it looks
Ibong
like.
Adarna! Hi, Christina.
Hey, what's up, Reckless Hiker? Chico Ye, what's
Thank
up?
you, Mon. Sasha.
Road to 300.
Reckless shoot. Metroman shoot. Yeah, 300. Kakanta po ka namin ni Insan na A Whole New World.
Yeah.
Gusto niya yan. Yes.
Chico Ye, what's up?
Hello.
Hindi masakit mata mo?
Naka-glasses ako.
Okay.
Ikaw.
No. Oh, Yamashita, ganon yung mga gifts daw na hihingin mo, Insan.
Peng Yamashita.
Yamashita, Ibong Adarna.
Peng Yamashita and Ibo Adarna.
Chocolate Hills.
Chocolate Hills. Give it to me. Give it to mommy.
Harana. Ask them what it looks like.
What is Harana?
Guys, show niyo naman kay Christine, Harana.
Pakita niyo sa akin yung mga gifts. Di ko po alam yan.
Ayan. Wow,
Galing. Ganun pala yung Harana.
Wala pa. Wala pa. Hey, what's up, Tita Bella? Tita
Hello,
Bella.
Michelle. Hello.
Ral, oy, K-Fab, what's
Hello,
up?
Tony from Canada.
Insa, ano nagbigay?
Hello, pengi pong Chocolate Hills. Chocolate Hills, napaka-importante po niyan.
Galing.
Mga
Galing
Chocolate Hills, yung mga
strategy.
Darna. What is it?
Galing mo daw mag-pick up. Malacanang, kaya Malacanang.
Pengi pong Malacanang. Wala po kami Malacanang.
Adarna, ganon.
Adarna!
Ay,
Bigay na po kayo ng mga Adarna.
Parang wala, Insan.
Hindi. Meron na yan, Adarna. Harana. Yes, Harana. Thank you. Chuck Amazing, Joyce. And hello. Ay, ang amazing.
Ay, parang wala. Tita Bella, baka meron.
Si Dimples. Baka merong Harana diyan. Dimples. Kakanta kami.
Wala.
Ay, malapit na po tayo sa 300.
Parang wala ata, Insan, nagbigay.
Ay, parang sad. Insanan.
Nasad ka ba?
First time ko alang Harana.
Minsan walang, ay,
Ano ba gusto natin, Insan? Ano?
Harana, Malacanang, ganon.
Peng Malacanang, sige na po. Para ma-experience ko naman po yung Harana. First time ko po dito.
Isa, I'm gonna make you a kumu right after we do this.
Penge pong Harana.
Ayun!
Thank you so much for the yes, for the
Harana.
Harana.
That's what it looks like.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much for the Harana. Send ulit kayo and I will shout out your name.
Wow!
Yes.
Insan, ba't parang ang galing mo magkumo?
Insan, pag nagharana yan, shout out ko yan 10 times. Thank you, Race, for the Metroman shoot. Galing mo.
Marunong na daw.
Am I good?
You're so good, Insan. I can't even ask them to send like that.
Ganon.
Oo.
Kasi
Ikaw,
first
you
time
ask
ko to.
talaga.
Mga dyan, pwede pong harana. Ihaharana ko po kayo.
It's in the blood daw yung pambubudol. Sabi.
Hindi, for lang to, like,
Yeah, fun.
for
diba?
fun.
Oh.
Chocolate Hills next! Pink Chocolate Hills! Buhol Chocolate Hills!
Ay, parang
Di-
wala.
ay,
Guys,
nasaan tuloy yun?
pakita niyo naman kay Christine.
Insan nasad ako ng Chocolate Hills. Alam harana.
Meron niyang magsisend. Meron.
Parang iyak na ako,
Hindi, Insan, no. Kumiyak. Meron yan.
Where?
Meron. Tinan mo. Antayin lang
GSM
natin.
Blue, what's that?
Meron dyan. Hey, what's up?
Parang
Oh, Road
alam
Zone. Hindi daw nakita yung
harana.
harana niya. Hey, what's up, Road Zone? Ay!
Ay, thank you, Miss Philippines!
Pero hindi Chocolate Hills, Insan. Hindi.
Parang mas gusto ko yung harana. What's your full name? Christina Stasio, yeah.
Insan, wala.
Once we'd say, and I know you're shining.
Bawal pa kumanta.
Ay,
Wala.
bawal,
Hindi pa
sorry.
nagtulog.
Alang harana, we. Alang chocolate, hindi ka kanta. Ganon kami din eh.
Hulugan pala. Hulugan, Insan.
Sorry.
Hey, what's up, what's up?
Ilang kapatid nyo, Insan? One bro. Isang bro.
Para daw tayong bidyoke. Oo, di ba guys? Sa bidyoke.
Ay!
Hinuhulugan.
Thank you. Ay.
Welcome to
Parang
Kumu daw.
harana. di ko makita.
Wala. Insan, wala.
Nasa tuloy ako, mga insan ko kayo.
Insan, pwede ka daw jukebox. Oh, guys, di ba sa jukebox hinuhulugan, guys?
True. Hinuhulugan. Kaya, pengin ng
Hello, Casey. Someone knows you.
Where? Who?
Oh, no. Someone...
May hawig daw kay Casey Concepcion. Ganda ko naman, insan. Yes, thank you, Peng Harana. Thank you so much. One sweet day. Pakanta ko one sweet day pag may nakita kong Harana.
What's one sweet day?
Mariah Carey.
Ay,
Sorry, I never told.
hindi na nagalaw.
Hindi gumagalaw yung mga...
Roadzone, Marky. What's up, Marky? Pa-follow back po kayo po.
Roadzone, Peng namang, Peng Harana.
Hindi daw nakita. Oh, you sound like Jessica Sanchez daw.
Ay, salamat naman po. Sino nagsabi noon? Joy, penging Chocolate Hills.
Uy, thank you so much sa lechon.
Juliana Castro, baka may mga Chocolate Hills or Harana ka dyan. Lechon, Metroman shoot. Ayun.
Guys, pakita niyo naman yung tawag dito.
I-video ko kayo lahat.
Chocolate Hills, guys.
Pakita naman Chocolate Hills.
Hindi pa niya nakikita para mag-aano na to, guys.
Gara, isa-shoutout ko naman kayo.
Magkukumo siya soon.
Personal shoutout from Christine pag may nakita po akong Chocolate Hills. DM me on Instagram.
Ay, wow!
Ay, oo.
Lakas, ah.
Ayan V-Cut Barbecue Party. Ano ba yun?
I don't know. I'm not sure kung...
Guys, parang gusto kong makitang Chocolate Hills. Wala. I can't see. Kulang po coins. Okay lang. Maybe next time you can give us Chocolate Hills. Woo!
Oh, positive!
Ubos na campaign.
Wag niyan...
Okay lang yan. Just stay around and I'm sure the coins will
guys.
come.
Pakita niyo naman.
Pa-shoutout insan. Jadel. Hello, Jadel. Paying Chocolate Hills.
Oh, thanks so much, Lourdes. Guys, road to 300 and we're gonna sing
A Whole New World.
A Whole New World talaga.
Kung gusto nyo a start of something new, pwede din.
What's up, new sir? Thank you so much.
Hello, Abby Julian. Baka may Harana ka dyan.
Oy, how to gift daw. Guys, you can click the gift
Hello
box.
po, Kuya Kimpoy.
Gift box dyan sa baba ng chat and you can give gifts. Hello po, Kuya Kim po. Hello po. Ganda naman ni Insan.
Thank you for the halo.
Pero I don't know how to gift, sabi.
Pero, learn how to gift,
Insan,
darling.
Julian, bagsakan mo ng Harana.
Bukawi, Bulacan. Bukawi.
Shout out from Vietnam. Oh, wow.
Hello, Vietnam. Ni hao. Ay, Chinese pala yun. Sorry. Vlog soon. Yes,
vlog
you are so
soon,
visible.
yeah.
Maybe I can see your visible Harana.
Guys, ang daming iniisip nitong topic for our vlog. Oy, Tito Boy.
Ay!
Hi, Tito Boy.
Magandang umaga. No, what's that thing? Welcome to TWBA. Ganoon.
Ano yung sinasabi niya? Usap tayo. Yun.
Sex or chocolate, ganoon.
Pa-shoutout naman po from Saudi.
Assalamualaikum.
Ganda naman ni Insan. Pwede na
Lights on or lights off? Half noon. May lights, tapos may walang lights. Ay.
Are you gonna do,
What?
Q&A?
Q&A, guys. Ask me the questions and I will answer truthfully.
Ang galing mo naman.
Walang eme-eme. Kaya, bigyan nyo na kami ng Harana.
Dolor! Ninang Dolor! What's up, Ninang Dolor?
Hi, Ninang Dolor.
Ilang taon na si Insan?
26.
Mga kakapasok lang yan. Like, they have the same question.
Shout out Cambodia. Hello, Cambodia. Cambodian Harana, maybe.
Para daw Batanggil.
May jowa po ba si Insan? Wala nga eh.
Wala.
Yung mga single dyan, bigay na po kayo ng chocolate hills.
Insan, how many boyfriends have you had?
Like real ones? Like
Real ones? May fake ones?
Dalawang
fake ones?
No, 2 real ones.
How many fake ones?
Madami. Happy birthday, Ashley Salonga.
Okay guys, road to 3, kakanta kami. Road to 3. Hey, what's up, Ninang Dolor? Thank you so much for the happy birthday, tatlo. Thank you so much. Jawe, Janina Sims, thank you so much. Grabe guys.
Thank you, Delay Bartolome.
Mrs. D, Joy Saira, Fangirl Vanessa.
Happy birthday, Tipsy One.
Thank you, Ninang
Magpa-birthday ka
Dolor.
na.
Ayun, happy birthday, sabi. Janie, thank you so much for the GSM Blue Mojito. User Joanne, that's 5K yan.
User Joanne?
Yeah, that's
Thank you, User Joanne.
Was that User Joanne?
I don't know. User Joanne, maraming
that's
salamat.
before Harana.
User Joanne, thank you so much, User Joanne.
Super thank you. Super thank you. Pa-shoutout, i-record ko po ito. Ninang Dolor, thank you so much.
Ninang Dolor, thank you, Ninang. Ninang, inaanak niyo po ako.
Perform. Pa-shoutout po Kim Po and Insan.
Jerry K.
Kailan po ang birthday ko?
Birthday ko mo?
When's yours? June 24?
Yes. Yeah? Naalala.
Siyempre. Shoutout po.
Christine, I miss you. Rima! That's Rima. Anak ni Ate Isa, I miss you.
Hey,
Mwah.
what's up? I'm really a Ninang. I'm from California. Ninang Dolor, thank you so much, Berit. Di ba? Shara, hi Kim Po and Insan watching from Kuwait.
Hello! We're almost at 300 mga kaibigan!
Oh my God!
Mga kainsan!
Do you know any other song? Pwede do it.
You are the reason.
Do you know,
Hi, honey, Kylene, Miss Universe. Yes, thank you.
Dolor, thank you.
Thank you, Ninang.
You're 90 miles outside Chicago. Ano yung kanta na yun?
Hindi ko alam yun eh. Pinapahirapan mo ako palagi.
I don't know.
A Million Dreams Sing. Alam mo yung ano?
Someday we'll know.
Someday we'll know if love can move the mountain.
Do you know that?
Yun lang. That's all I know, that line.
Ay, ganun.
Hindi ko alam. Dapat yung alam natin, Insan.
Hindi ko naman, I know,
You know,
Yura, but I can't sing it.
High School Musical. Can I have this dance?
Oh, yeah, High School Musical.
Ay, oo.
Guys! Kinanta natin sa vlogs.
Guys, malapit na kami mag High School Musical karaoke.
Hey, what's up,
Send na kayo.
Wency? Thank you so much, Wency.
I rewrite the stars. Why don't we rewrite the
That's so high,
stars?
Insan. I
Okay,
can't sing
sige.
that high. Belu Oliver, thank you so much.
Hello, Nathaniel Fernandez.
Do you
Hello.
know BTS?
BTS. What's BTS? Behind the scenes?
Hindi, Insan, the Bangtan.
No, sorry.
BTS K-pop.
No, I don't know. Hi from Japan. Konnichiwa. I love High School Musical. Can I have this dance? Kanta na kayo. Malapit na po kami kumanta.
Would you ever vlog daw?
Yeah, of course.
Kuya Jimbo, you know Kuya Jimbo?
Who's
He's
Kuya
our
Jimbo?
cousin.
Ay, hello, Insan! Kuya Jimbo! Kumusta ka na, Kuya Jimbo?
What's up?
Is he actually our cousin?
Yeah.
Oh, my cousin? My cousin?
Oh, cousin!
Dami kong kakasin! Woo!
Cousin yan.
Hello, Laguna! I love your, buko pie in Laguna! Peng Harana!
Who's your favorite cousin daw?
Oh, I have so many, but... They're all not watching, but obviously I'm in.
You gotta pick Insan.
No! Okay.
Dolor, Ninang Dolor, thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Almost 300.
Hello.
Panotis po, hi Canada. Watching from
Guys,
Canada.
malapit na kami kumanta.
Lisa Joan, thank you so much.
Pa-shout out naman po. Hello, Giselle Salvador, and I am Meneth.
Oy, I'm from Hagonoy, Bulacan din daw. Sabi.
Hello.
Hey, what's up? Pa-request Way Back Into Love. So what are we gonna sing ba? 3B, what's up 3P? Pa-shout out
Julian Castro, Fangirl Vanessa.
Oh my God, User Joan. Oh, wow, 300. Grabe.
Wow, we are at
Pa-shout
300. We have to sing now.
Okay, what are we gonna sing?
Ano po, kakantahin namin. Mag-song request na po kayo.
Anong kakantahin natin?
Do you know the song, Can I Have This Dance?
High School Musical na lang, Insan.
Yun na nga, High School Musical. That is High School Musical.
Can I have this dance?
Oo.
Ano yun?
Can I have this dance?
Yung ano lang, yung the one that I'm familiar with.
Alright, Start of Something New or Breaking Free?
Start of Something New.
Hindi.
Parang easy.
Hindi. That's hard song, Insan.
Really?
Kaya, Peng Harana.
The one that we, Sang sa may parking?
Oo. Kakantahin po namin ang kanta po namin sa vlog. Salamat po sa mistletoe. It's the most beautiful time.
Do you want to sing that song?
Wag na. Did you?
Okay, do it, sige.
Oh yeah, we're gonna sing a Filipino song. Filipino song, alam mo? Hanggang ngayon.
Sing the one that you were singing kanina.
Ano?
Sisikat din ako.
Sorry.
Go.
Hindi nakanta ko Tagalog,
Yun na lang insan.
Kay Morissette. Kay Morissette, I know that song, pero hindi lahat ha kasi mataas.
Which one?
Akin ka na lang.
Ay, wow.
Pero hindi lahat kasi magigising yung mga kapitbahay ko.
Ayan, push daw. Akin ka na lang.
Okay.
Guys, harana naman. Harana.
Harana! At
Rodica, thank you so much, Kia Vio Bori. Happy birthday to me on December 28th.
Ay, panay sabi nila one sweet day. Gusto nila one sweet day. I'll sing one sweet day then. See?
Thank you, Reg. Sure.
I'm gonna sing one sweet day. Thank you so much for the 300,000. And I'm gonna sing one sweet day. This is for all of you.
Okay, go.
And before I do this, bigay naman kayo ng chocolate heels.
No one's dropping chocolate heels.
No,
I don't know. They used to, send a lot.
Paying chocolate heels, guys.
Abby Julian, Rodica, thank you so much. Julian Castro, Glade.
Guys, I just want to see the chocolate heels. Di ko pa po nakikita.
Ano pala nakita mo, Harana?
Yeah, yun lang. I just want to see it lang.
Maria Cecilia. Hello. User 661 watching from Kuwait. What's up?
Hello, Ashley Salonga. Baka may chocolate heels ka dyan.
Mga ninang, may nanonood ba kayo? James, Catherine 30. Zel Peralta, what's up?
Okay, kakanta na po ako. Baka i-surprise niyo po ako ng chocolate heels.
Okay, go. Watching from... Oh! Nina Dolor! Harana!
Harana!
Thanks, Nina.
Thank you, Nina. I'm gonna sing you a song. Mag-request ka po ng song. Kakantahin ko po sa'yo.
Wow! Ninang Dolor.
I will sing a song just for you, Ninang Dolor. Thank you for the Harana. Maraming salamat, Ninang Dolor, sa Harana.
Okay, go.
Mag-request ka po.
Okay, what are you gonna sing?
Someone can use your photo. Ted Pailon! TV Patrol!
Okay, go.
Watching from Mindanao. Hello, Mindanao, sa Bisaya, Mindanao. Okay, sige
go.
na. Ano ba? Okay, mag-song request na po kayo at kakanta po ako.
Who? Ninang Dolor? Or like everyone?
Anyone, just give me a song. One sweet day. Si one sweet day naman.
Okay.
Oh, sige.
Go. Tuloy mo na yung one sweet day.
Pero mataas po siya. Pero okay lang po kasi bibigyan nyo naman po akong harana. Imagine all right.
You're so good. You're asking.
Okay, wave your hands, everybody. Yes.
Kasi may candles mo inside pa.
Okay, And I know eventually
oh my God, what's up, Bri?
we'll be together once we stay.
Ginalingan po! Grabe. Do you know the words?
Hindi ko na po alam. Mag-request na po kayo.
Okay, Dance with My Father, you know?
Yes. Back when I was a child.
Oh, wala pa.
Ay, sorry. Mag-drop muna kayo ng harana.
Lilibre kita mamaya.
Mag-drop po kayo ng harana.
Baka another pair na naman. Ikaw.
Gusto niyo po ba akong
What's that?
Vaseline for the lips?
Bri, gusto mo, do you wanna come up, Bri?
Bri, come up, brother.
Oh, this is the guy that I showed you and you were like,
Stop it, Insta.
Okay. Sorry.
Can you hear me?
It's live.
Ay!
Of course you can hear
Hi,
me.
Bri.
Bri, gusto mo bakit, Bri?
Bri, I want to meet you.
This is the guy I introduced you. You know, when I show you my YouTube channel?
Oo na, mamaya na lang.
Okay,
Nahiya ako.
Bri, akit ka ba, Bri? Request.
Bri, single ka ba?
Oh.
I'm kidding.
I'm kidding.
No, I forgot what he looks like, so yeah.
Really? Okay.
Ine-eme ko lang po kayo!
Eme.
Kalma insan, ba't kinikilig agad? Si Bri ba?
He said, pag-uwi daw, pag-uwi. Jenny, what's up, Jenny? Bri, Insan. Later daw, guys. Pauwi pa lang, pauwi.
Pauwi lang po si Kuya Bri.
Thank you so much, guys, sa mga nagpo-follow.
Wait lang po, mga kaibigan.
Guys, if you haven't followed me, just click here. Click here to subscribe. Mrs. Wade is back. What's up, Mrs. Wade? Kamusta? Parang family reunion. Magpapaganda ka daw ba, Insan?
No, I'm just putting on the fan.
Because it's so hot, yeah?
It's not hot. It's very, suffocation, ganoon. Kasi,
oh my Insan, outlet din na to. What's up,
no.
Reg? User Joanne, thank you so much.
Insan, not doing it.
Liz? Yeah. Insan, they can hear you. Uy, thank you so much. Salamat po sa cellphone naman. Guys, road to 400. Ako na. Special Christmas requested by Kaya save this stream against the light kayo.
What's it? Do you want to... Oh, are they going to think something to go sleep in?
No, it's alright.
Sorry. My light in my house, guys.
Grabe, Kimpoy. Dami mo ring reserve na energy. Yes, guys. Siguro kung I don't edit videos, same tayo na energy, Insan. But
no, you know what, guys?
Nauubos energy ko.
Pero, magkakaroon din niya ng energy.
What do you mean?
Kasi kasama niya po ako.
Oo.
Sorry, nag-headband lang po kasi gumugulo na po yung buhok ko.
What time is it there daw?
Guys, magpo 4 AM na din eh. Mahal na mahal namin kayo.
Okay, 4 AM na.
Pero, mahal na mahal namin kayo. Kaya, Chocolate Hills.
Ano sa'yo matutulog? Walang tulugan.
Brighton, ay may love team na kami. Brian, magpakita ka naman, Brian.
Pauwi pa lang daw, pauwi pa lang. Duet.
Show me, Brian.
Okay, later. Mamaya pa.
My favorite na gifts agad si Ins. Duet with Kim. Angel's Card. Do you know Angel's Card?
No. Hindi ko alam.
Should have passed, walk away, I didn't sing.
Hey, Elvira's Chikuye. Guys, konti na lang, 400. What are we gonna sing? Duet na, para tayong dalawa.
Oo, start something new.
Ay.
Okay.
Uy, sino yun? Thank you so much.
Brighton, yes, Brighton.
Chikuye, Ninang Wana. Thank you so much, Ninang Wana.
You,
Love you, Ninang. Dance with my father. Ganda ng boses mo. Ninang Wana, thank you so much.
Okay, kakanta ba tayo?
Yeah, when we reach 400.
When we reach 400,
oh, Ninang Mercy, Chocolate Hills.
I love seeing the Chocolate Hills. Napaganda po.
Have you been to Bohol? No. Ganda daw ng Chocolate Hills, guys. Nag-sightseeing.
Oh my God, it's so amazing. Chocolate tea. Sarap. Oh, sorry. Hindi na pwede.
Bakit mo din nilaan yung Chocolate
Hills? Kasi nandoon nga noon.
Hey, what's up, Patrick? Oy, si Patrick. Hey, what's up, Abby Juliet? Menchicha, what's up?
Kakanta ba tayo?
Hey, what's up? Ha?
Kakanta ba tayo?
Sing.
Okay, guys, kakanta po kami.
Liz, what's up, Liz? Mooncakes. Lap trip daw yung pa-sightseeing sa Chocolate Hills.
I love it. I love the Chocolate Hills. Sarap.
No, Malacanang, Insan. Malacanang next.
Ay, Malacanang. Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Penge Malacanang. She was, yeah? That is the Malacanang, the parliament, yeah?
Yeah, but that was like, Insan, matagal na yun.
Sorry. Penge naman, Malacanang. What's Malacanang na?
You haven't seen, guys,
I have to say, Malacanang.
There's like fireworks, Insan.
Oh my God. Alam mo, guys, fireworks is like my favorite thing. Like, when I see fireworks, parang
naputo ka.
Oh, like I'm going like this. Ganoon. Okay, kakanta na po kami. 400. Hello.
Guys, gusto niyo bang paano pag nakakita ka ng fireworks? Paano?
Insan parang ganito ako. Pag fireworks.
Guys, patingin
Guys,
naman-
pwede nyo ako i-screenshot. Go, post mo na.
Wait.
Fail ang fireworks.
Wala pa.
Oo, pero I give you guys permission.
Mamaya
Pag
na.
nag-send kayo ng fireworks, gaganarin ko.
Ay, lechon pa lang, lechon.
Sakit!
Lechon pala, lechon pala.
Saya.
Saya daw.
Walang tulugan, guys.
Guys, paputok naman kayo dyan, guys.
Oo nga, guys.
Para makita yung fireworks.
Guys, it's gonna make my year.
Oh
Not
my
my life,
gosh.
because he made my life. You guys
Year
wanna
lang,
make my
year lang.
year.
Angeli, what?
Kumanta na tayo para bigyan tayo ng fireworks.
Okay, we're almost, 8 na lang. 9 na lang, 9.
9. We're waiting for you guys.
Dito ka, di ka kita.
My God.
Hello po mga instant kabag na dis.
What's kabag na dis?
You know, like, pag umuutot-utot ka.
What do you mean?
Well, like, when you keep on farting, kabag yun.
Ah, oh yeah.
Yeah.
Like sa chan?
Yeah.
Oo.
Kanta ka na po, Cherry.
Start something new nga.
Okay, wala pa nga eh. Konti pa. Bloated daw, bloated. Bloated ba yun?
Oo. Yeah, like you have
Not
gas.
really.
My gas sa stomach. Oo.
Yeah, but like, bloated can be something else.
Buwan.
Pwede like bloated from food,
Hi,
diba?
Insan. Sino yun? Pa-shoutout
Raj.
from Dubai.
Oh
Hello.
my God, Gabby! What's up, Gabby?
Hi, Dubai. I want to see
Flora
fireworks.
Pineda, wala pa.
Song request. Magbigay kayo
Oh,
ng
it's
fire.
spasm.
What's spasm?
Yun daw yung kabag.
Oo. Sige na. Spasm na.
Is it?
Kung spasm. Metro Man shoot.
What was that?
Asan na si Bri? May ka-love team.
Wala pa si Bray.
Makanta na ba tayo?
Love you, Insan.
400. We're waiting for you.
Hey, what's up, Gabby? How are you? Kamusta?
Brightin.
It's me, Jessica, Tita Ganda. We need to ship.
Guys, I need to see fireworks before I go to sleep. Hindi ako makakatulog.
And then afternoon, Insan.
I love you, Erica Pineda. Mwah.
Insan, do you want to see a bird?
Oo.
Isa may bird dyan. Oh! User John, thank you so much.
Hello, Jasmine
Okay,
from
go,
Kala.
400.
400, we're gonna start something new, guys.
Let's go.
Tune in.
Listen, there's a colorful bird. Sabi.
Which colorful bird? I haven't seen it. Pingin naman, guys. 400K na hour. Let's see.
Wala pa, walang
Okay,
bird.
guys.
Okay, what's that?
Start.
Ako daw.
Kakanta muna po kami.
Ako ba yung una niyan?
Ito yung lyrics inside.
Ano ba yan?
Living in...
Ako ba yan?
Oo. Ikaw blue, ako pink.
Living in my own world.
Yes, fireworks.
Didn't understand.
Harana.
I feel in my heart. The sound of something. It feels so right to be here with you. And now looking in your eyes, I feel in my heart the sound of something new. The sound of something
new. Harana! Nagharana kami sa inyo. Give us the harana, madlang people.
Yes! Wow! Hello, ganda naman ang voice mo, Insan. Ganda naman ang aming pambansang Insan. So
Thank you, mga insan.
So that is start of something new, guys.
450, kakanta ulit kami.
Yay, what a
450.
show.
Illy birth. Illy 2.
450.
Panodas naman Mayor and Insan. Hello.
Yes.
Nicolai, Kuya Bri. Yes.
I love you.
Lakas
Ano
ng
pong
energy.
kanta yan?
Where's Bri? Where is he? Who's
I don't know,
Bri?
he's going home. I think he's
Bri, ano ba?
he's still working.
Ano ba ayos, Bri?
He's still working.
Wow, working hard
Mm.
for the Chocolate Hills.
For the Chocolate Hills. Galing niya pong magpinsan.
Thank you so much. We are the 2021 Tandem.
Poleng, what's up? Dance with my father.
My name, hi Janine.
Ano po yung title ng kanta before the something?
Oh,
Ano, what did you sing?
I think it was One Sweet Day by Mariah Carey and Boyz II Men.
Japping, what's up, Japping?
More vlogs with Insan.
Guys, 4:50, we're gonna sing another song. Dapat yung alam ko, Insan.
Okay, sige. Do you know, my first love, there's only you in my life. Ganon. The only
Wow,
thing
Mrs. Wade! Thank you so much, Mrs. Wade. Oh, Bri is here.
Hey, Bri!
Request ka, Bri, if you're...
Come on.
Oh my God, are you ready?
What?
Are you ready? He's
what?
here. He's here.
Okay, show him. Hello?
Wait lang.
Hindi ako naka-makeup.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
Oh, hi.
Hello, Brian. Nakanta po tayo ngayon.
Hey, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
This is, guys, it's the first time me and Brian meet. Kaya bigay na po kayo ng chocolate hill.
Yes, guys. Hi, Christine.
Hi, Brian.
How are you? Yes.
I'm so good.
Yes, I saw your vlog with Kimbo. Yeah, you're so funny. Yeah, I like it very much. Yes. What?
Are you single? Wink, wink. Woo!
Yes.
Yes. For Brian being single, guys, give us some harana.
Yes.
Ang liwanag ng Bri. What's up, Chelsea?
Bri, parang may love team na tayo, Bri, ha?
Bri team.
Hi.
Leome, what's up, Leome?
Hello. Hello.
Absolute. He's so bright.
Okay, Bri, kakanta tayo.
Yes, go. Ano lang, sasaglit lang ako kasi may pupuntahan pa.
Where is he?
Ano lang. No, I'm currently in Italy.
Buongiorno,
Yes.
ragazzi.
Wow.
Yes, buongiorno. Do you know how to
Buongiorno.
speak Italian?
Ciao, mi chiamo.
Multilingual yan, Bri.
Mi chiamo Christine.
Yes. Hi.
Oh, are you fluent in Italian?
Oh,
Of
Italiano.
course.
Italian
Yes.
wala.
Oh.
Some salami and zucchini and a lot of mozzarella. Pizza.
Ciao, Christine. ¿Cómo estás?
Ciao. Bien merci.
Bene. Ay, French na yun eh.
Ay, French na yun.
Oh,
Molto
yes.
bene.
Yan.
Galing.
Galing. Hindi mawawala.
Yes. Nasa lahi.
Sweet G. Oh,
Do you know how to speak French, Bri?
Matatalino dito, Bri.
What?
Do you know how to speak French?
Oui. Pourquoi?
Oui, comment ça va?
Ça va bien. Et toi?
Bien.
And, comment tu t'appelles?
Je t'aime. Moi.
Je t'aime.
I love you. I said I love you to breakfast. Like, give me the chocolate hills.
Sabi, Kim Poy left the group na daw.
Ay! No, Insan. Nandito po kami.
Nakaka-nosebleed, my gosh. Sabi.
Hi, Bri. I like your hat.
Oh, thank you very much. Yes. How's your Valentino? Did you like it?
Still the happiest girl in the world. Bye.
Yeah.
Molto bene.
Sana all.
Sobrang guilty siya.
Oh.
So,
Kaya pala laging kasama kayo ngayon.
Mag-payback sa kanya, di ko lang nga alam kung paano. Kaya,
Ay, ang cute. Ang cute na wag Tagalog, barok.
Barok ka daw.
yeah, I know. I'm a bit broken, pero like, do you guys understand me?
Yeah. You speak better Tagalog.
Eh, di
than
molto
the other
bene.
Where did you learn those words?
I did Italian at school. I did Italian, French, and Japanese at school.
Oh yeah, that's so cool.
Yes.
Amazing.
I learned how to say konnichiwa.
Aishiteru. Yes.
Bri, single season.
Ay, Bri, pakita mo naman daw yung ano, Ibu Adarna.
Anong ibon? Kakagaling ko lang kay ano. Ha?
Guys, gusto namin makita yung Ibu Adarna.
Hindi ko pa nakikita yung ibon.
Ay, yung paputok, wala pa din.
Yung paputok.
Ay, una na ako.
Hindi nga ako makakatulog pag alang paputok.
Tatlo pa yun, Insan. Tatlo pa ba yun, Bri?
Ha?
Ano pa yun?
Hindi, una na ako seryoso. Pupunta pa ako sa doktor, papacheck up pa ako.
Si Brian naman eh.
Iiwan ka kaagad.
I still need to go to I still need to go see the doctor. Yes.
Bye, Brian.
I-
Aya, sa broken heart ko, guys, bigyan nyo na po ako ng chocolate pills. Sige na, Malacanang. Si Brian kasi.
Hey, Christine, nice to finally meet you. Hope to see you
Brian,
soon
it's
again.
nice to
Yes.
finally meet you, Brian, and I hope to see you again
Pupunta tayo dyan sa
soon.
Italy.
We're gonna go to Italy and
When I
visit
went to
you.
Italy,
Yes. Sure. Yes.
accommodation.
Oh, we just need chocolate hills to go to Italy. We need a Malacanang.
I'm going there in Melbourne, so hope to see you.
When?
I'm not sure yet.
Tara na.
Soon, yes, soon. I went there.
Yeah.
Brian, magpakita ka naman when you come here.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Sayang nood kasi didn't get the chance to see each other. Sige na, hirap na ako English gagi.
Italianohin mo na lang.
Oo, marunong ako.
Ciao Christine, sono piacere di conoscerti.
Ay, I don't know! Isa pa, para mabigyan tayo.
Ciao Christine, piacere di conoscerti. Adesso devo proprio andare, mi dispiace.
Ay, parang, pasang ba ako, Elsa? Parang, oh my gosh, Brian.
Sarap yan, sarap.
Yes.
Ciao a tutti.
Ay, una na ako, seryoso.
Yay!
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Ingat,
Bye,
Brian.
Christine. Bye-bye pa.
Isang flying
Ciao, Bella. Ciao,
Ciao,
Bella.
Kamahala kami na yan.
Ayan. May ihulog yan. Di tayo matitis yan.
Sige na. Try.
Di ba pag pumunta ka sa bahay that may dala?
Dapat may dalang pagkain, Bray, ha? Ayun! Yes, madlang people! Kuya Bray! Yes!
Yes.
We're gonna come visit you in Italy.
Yes, hope to see you soon. Turin.
Sige, we'll see you.
Sige na. Bye-bye. Ingat kayo. Bye-bye.
Ingat.
Ciao.
Francis, hello po.
Hello,
Sabi.
Francis.
Do you want to meet more people?
Oo,
I'm
sige.
gonna ask them to come up.
Oo.
Mga gifters.
Say,
We're gonna ask
bellissima,
them to come up.
bellissima, ciao. Ayan na.
Hey, what's up, Kaka?
Ate Tin, ganda ka. What's ganda ka?
Ganda ka. You're beautiful.
Thank you so
sabi.
much, guys. Marami pong salamat.
Do you want to end soon?
Kung gusto mo, yeah, if you want.
Yeah.
If you want.
When we, 500.
Uh-uh.
Hey, what's up, bros? What's up? Good. Julian Castro,
Hi,
what's
it's
up?
Jane.
D36. Hello, Insan. Sobrang kalog mo. Malago ka. Vegara John, what's up?
Hello.
I think po, do you have work now?
Well, I did.
Do you have work?
Yeah, I'm
later?
working, but Insan is very special to me, kaya
Yeah, hindi na.
I'm working from home.
Mm-mm.
Mm-mm.
So, hindi siya papasok.
Mm-mm.
Ano pa? Greet na lang, Insan.
Oo, sige.
Okay, guys, we're just gonna, greet. Mga gifters, and, comment kayo. Ilabas daw si Anghets. Kilig much.
Hi,
ang Bright
Grace
Team, sabi.
Santos.
What's up, Sasha Fall? Kilig much.
Hello,
po.
Jessie. Hello.
Okay, guys, so mag-greet kami. Natuloy ba ako sa Sydney?
No.
Na-stop ng immigration.
Na-stop po siya ng immigration. So, he's here na lang. Mas masaya dito sa amin.
Joke lang, guys. Joke lang.
Mas masaya dito sa bahay ko, guys.
Hello, Insan. Engwa. Hi po, Pinsan.
Hi, Insans. Mga Insan. Hello.
Baka maniwala sila.
Ano? Na-stop ng immigration.
Na-stop tayo.
Hello.
Oh, what's your IG though? What they're asking.
KXTINE with an underscore. Ladies and gentlemen.
Excited to meet you daw. Wow.
I'm excited to meet you.
Guys, when I have an event, sama ka.
Sige.
When you're in the Philippines. No?
Magra-riot tayo dun sa event, guys.
And you're gonna sing?
Oo, sige.
Oh.
Yeah, I will.
Okay, guys, we're gonna end soon. So, last greet na lang, guys. Ayun.